This is another review from GrimLight. A lot of people are on about battery packs for Nikon speedlights, and you can buy a Nikon battery pack which is around about £150. It's very expensive. Obviously when you buy Nikon you get the best. There's no qualms regarding that. But this is another pack which has come on the market which a lot of people are raving about, but there's not a lot of reviews kicking around. So this is just a review of the pack. This one with import costs from Japan cost me around the £55 mark, which is not a big investment, but for what this does it's absolutely phenomenal. It's made by PXL or Pixel. It's the TD383 flash gun power pack for Nikon speedlights. Now there are two versions of this on the market, so you need to be careful. There's an older one which comes with the power cable which plugs into the flash. The new model, which is this one, also on the end of the cable there has another attachment which goes into the side of the speed gun, which is for TTL. So this is actually fully TTL compatible. I've used this with an SB800 with over 7 flash guns, all on TTL wireless mode, and there's no interference with this whatsoever. What will impress you is how quickly this is actually capable of charging. There are two circuits inside. Push the button down just to show you. So what you can do with this is you can have the batteries on one side and just run it off one set of batteries. If obviously the battery use is cut down, but you can run it off one set or two. Now I've got Uniross 2700 NIMH batteries in here. That obviously just goes straight into there, push and lock, and that's it. It's got a screw on the bottom, so you can actually screw it onto the bottom of the camera, so you can take it mobile. It also comes with a pouch, which you can also slide the pack into, put that on a belt and carry it around your waist, which is how I tend to use it. Now, just to show you connection on that, I'm just going to move that out the road a moment. How this actually connects. Very straightforward. We have a Nikon D300 with an SB800 on there. As you can see, the opening is actually open there for the power supply. So basically, that pack connects into there. Make sure the flash is turned off when you're connecting this as well. And then on the left hand side, obviously the SB800 there, you've got the TTL connections, and we've also got the slave triggers and everything else. So basically that connection there goes into there. So I'm just going to screw that on. So that's it, ready to go. Now then, you do need the packs, the batteries inside. Again, keep the battery voltage the same. They're all 2700 mAh in this one at the moment. So turning the Nikon on, as you can see we've got the SB800 there and it's charged instantaneous. You'll see when I fire the flash off that the two lights on here will kick on. So you'll see when I take a shot, the batteries take on for a split second and they take the power that they need. The other benefit as well is that it's multi-shoot. Now obviously, just to show you there, I'm just going to shoot this on rapid burst. It's using a battery pack. And I'm just going to put that onto high burst. Okay, now then, if you watch and see, you'll get multi-shoots. As you can see, the battery pack keeps it going, keeps it going, keeps it going. I can keep on going, and I've shot over 25 frames on a continuous loop. What I would advise is you try and keep it down to 10 to 12 bursts, obviously so your packs are overheating. As you can see, the battery light is staying constant the whole time. There is no delay, there is no charge time delay whatsoever. What I have done, just to give an example on these, with this particular pack, I've actually shot multiple weddings with these. I've been testing this for Pixel over the last couple of weeks, and the interesting thing is, on full power, I'll use a rear flash to give you an example, so the flash is always dialed up by 1 EV. I've actually shot over 2,500 continuous shots with no delay on the battery, no charge time delay, and still going strong. This pack here was actually from a wedding last week that shot over 2,500 shots already, and it's still going strong. There's absolutely zero delay on the flash. The power is consistently there all the time, and it's by far, for the money, one of the best battery packs on the market. And just to confirm there again, this particular one is completely TTL compatible. It will work with the strobes on wireless flash. It will charge the main unit up the whole time. So if you've got multiple SB800s, this is by far the best pack on the market, and it actually gives Nikon a run for its money, both in terms of quality, reliability, but more importantly, a consistent power supply. This is another review done for GrimLight. Our main website again is www.grimlight.com, and this is a review for the Pixel 383 battery pack for SB800 speed guns on the Nikon range.